Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L+. Stock number is 28211T. It is black in color. There's the fog lamps on it here. Headlights. Nice rims. It's going to be all powered doors, windows, and seating. There's the console for you. Does have cruise control, Bluetooth, all that. There's the touchscreen for the CD player, the radio. Does have the options to open your doors right here. It's also a black leather interior. Stow and go seating. 7-passenger. Got your rear entertainment. Each seat has one. Comes with an HDMI, a USB, and for the headphones. Does have the backup camera right there for you. Does have the stow and go here in the back seats. Does have extra storage on the side. Room for your groceries and on vacation. Does have where you just push the button to open the doors. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L+. Stock number is 28211T. You can reach us online at www.sherrychrysler.com. Or give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.